Hey guys, welcome back to a Traveling Shus video. We got a room tour here for you from the Destiny room 7554. Let's go check it out. Sweet, we got Hercules. So we're in 7554 here on the Destiny. So we got a key here, power rolling. Some lights on, so we got right in here. First, I guess we'll go to the second door here. This is gonna be our, looks like it's a full shower with a sink. Nice. Got the other bathroom right here, which is gonna be your toilet. It's looking the same setup as the Wish. Nice big mirror, plenty of room. On the other side, you're gonna have all your cabinets and your closet space. So you got one here, you got another one right here with safe. If you're gonna put anything in the safe, I'd recommend putting your shoe in there with it. Oh, cool, we got Mulan. That's sick. Look, it's little brother.
Little brother.
And look, we got our little Destiny cruise. There's our family screen. Go over here and we got more artwork from Mulan. Wow, that's awesome. Oh my God, guys, look at my beer mug. Holy moly, it's Destiny. That's amazing. Wow. And then our view right now is just of, as you can see right there, it says Port of the Everglades. So we're hanging out here, and that's our room. Look what we got! Inaugural sailing! Woohoo! Then we got this cool bag that has all kinds of stuff in it. Let's see what else we get in here. Oh my gosh, guys. We got it. We got the bag! I was worried they were gonna run out of this stuff, and they didn't, so.
We got it.
Really cool. Welcome aboard the Destiny, and let's have a great cruise. Let's jet. So this room does not have a drop-down bunk, which, so I'm assuming the couch here pulls out into some sort of bed or something. You can see kind of the handle right back there. Other thing to know, these ceilings are normally metal. So if you got magnets, you can normally stick them on the ceiling. You can have magnetic ceiling fans, magnetic lights. In each drawer, you're gonna get a couple postcards, some stationery, all your information you might need. And this is for breakfast if you want to do room service. Trash is over here. The phone is actually on the wall. That's crazy, because in the Wish, it's not.
No, in the Wish, it's on the wall as well, I believe. The Fantasy, it's not because the TV's there, but we have a full-size TV here.
We got the hair dryer, everything else. We do have a full-size TV in the room, which is actually amazing. And just plenty of room for you to put all your stuff. There's even a fridge.
It's a cooler chiller.
It's a cooler chiller fridge. It's for you to put your wine and beer in. That's actually incredible. I don't remember that on either of the other boats that I've been on. Ships, I should say. So, welcome aboard the Destiny.
Friendly reminder that our mandatory emergency safety drill will take place at 3:30.
3:30. Are you ready, Freddie? I think so.